Start by heating 2 tablespoons of Mr Organic's extra virgin olive oil in a shallow pan on a medium heat. Add in 1 finely chopped shallot and fry down until softened. Then add in 2 minced cloves of garlic and a minced thumb of fresh ginger and stir in. Next, add in a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of ground coriander, a teaspoon of garam masala, and half a teaspoon of paprika, and fry off until smelling fragrant. Then add a tablespoon of Mr Organic's Italian organic tomato puree, sourced from our 3rd generation tomato farm just south of Rome in Italy, and cook through. Add in a jar of Mr Organic's butter beans along with their liquid. Crumble in a stock cube, pour in 300 milliliters of water, and season with a pinch of salt. Stir through well, bring to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and allow to simmer for 20 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat, add in a heaped tablespoon of coconut yogurt and stir in. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime, stir through, then serve immediately, garnished with more coconut yogurt and fresh coriander with a side of plant-based naan. And enjoy this high fibre, protein and plant-rich dish in under 30 minutes.